Hello everyone. So at this moment, I'm going to show you on how to create a program about a product database. So this program will allow the user to input a data, and also it will allow a user to make a purchase, calculate the sales, accept the cash, and calculate the change. And also it displays the number of paper bills and coins to be given to the customer. So as you can see on the screen, this program is just similar to the exercise number 17. But in this case, we have added some statements. So first is we have the declaration of the compute sales. So we use the float, compute sales, and the values to be used in computing the compute sales. Declaration of compute sales will be used for the computation of the number of sold products. So as you can see on the screen, we have this formula. So first we have C, which will refer to the number sold, is equals to A times B, where A is equals to price and B is equals to number of sold products. Another statement that I added is using the enumeration type. Using an enumeration type declaration is a good choice because for all possible values, you can set a variable into one value. So enumeration type usually starts with the value of 0. So for example, 1000 is equals to 0, 500 is equals to 1, 100 is equals to 3, and so on and so forth. But you can also set a specific value for that variable. So for example, 1000 is for 1000, 500 is 500, and so on and so forth. So the next statements of the program are just the same with that of the exercise 17. So these statements. So another statement that I added in this program can be found at the case tree at the choices. So as you can see on the screen, we have the statements payment and number of bills or coins that will be displayed on the screen. So first, we have the payment. Since one of the choices that the program will do is to make a purchase, so this time I added a statement that is all about payments. So as you can see on the screen, we have the cash. So cash is what the customer will give to the cashier. So next is this formula. So this formula is used to calculate the change. Another statement is the number of bills or coins. So first is the 1000 paper bill. So as you can see in the formula, we have that bill is equals to change. So this operator is the division. So bill is equals to change divided by 1000. So if bill is greater than 0, so 1000 paper bill will be displayed, or the number of 1000 paper bill will be displayed. And next is change is equals to the remaining change minus the bill times 1,000. Next is bill is equals to change divided by 500. So after division, if bill is greater than 0, so it will display the number of 500 paper bill on the screen. Next is change is equals to change minus bill times 500. And the third is the 100 paper bill. So bill is equals to change divided by 100. So if bill is greater than 0, then then it will display the number of 100 paper bills on the screen. Next is the 50 peso coin. So bill is equals to 50 peso. So bill is equals to change divided by 50 peso. So if bill is greater than 0, then it will display the number of 50 peso coin on the screen. So the number of 50 peso coin is just the same with computing the number of 20 peso coin, 10 peso, 5 peso, and 1 peso coin. So far that is all that was added in the program. So on the last part of the program, it's all about saving the file. So the name of the file is sales. And the mode is appending. So if there is already a saved file, so once we will going to add another data on the program, so it will just be added on the existing file. So that was all that was added in the program. So let's test and run this program. So after compilation, so there are no errors. So let's run this program. So first, it asks for the choices. So let's choose for number 1. So as you can see on the screen, the first that we are going to do is to choose from the choices. So let's say we choose the first choice. So it requires for the ID 1, the name of the product, cement, the price is 500, so the discount 20%, stocks is 5. So next, as you can see on the screen, we have two choices that if we press 1, the program will continue, and if we press 0, the program will stop and it will save the data into a text file. So let's say we choose the 1. So this time we're going to perform the third choice. So this is all about purchase a product. So let's say 1. So the product name cement, price 500, 20%, discount is 400, and the quantity available is 5. So let's say we are going to purchase 5 products. So the amount of sales based on the compute sales formula, we have 500, which is the price, times the number of sold, or the amount, or the number of sold products is 5. So 500 times 5 is equals to 2,000. So let's say that the cash that the customer gives to the cashier is 3,000. So the change is equals to 1,000. And the number of bill that will be given is 1. So this time we're going to save the data. So we'll choose the 0 key. So the file that were saved will be found on where did you save the program or the codes. So the file were saved here. So as you can see, the name file is sales. So inside the sales file is the ID, which is 1. The name of the product, cement. The price is 500. The discount is 20%. The stock is 5, and the amount of sales or the total amount is equals to 2,000. So far that is all, and thank you for listening.